mawubona le video ngicela uyisave izoba isikhumbuzo kusasa. Suka kubantu abakufonela mase kusenkingeni bona, kodwa mekujabule bona bakhumbula abangani babo. Bayingozi abantu abakukhumbula mase bekwi emergency. Hlale ngithi mina ayikho ifavor emergent, ayikho ifavor ephuthumayo. Azingicela mfethu an urgent favor, ayikho leyo nto. Njengoba ezothi ngicela an urgent favor ingoba ngaphakathi kuye uyafila ukuthi vele wena makufanele umsize fanele kuphuthume ngoba sekuyena osenkingeni. Ayikho urgent favor, ayikho into ekuthiwa i-small favor. Athi umuntu ucela ungenzela i-small favor mfethu, i-small favor eqala ku-100 why ukala ukuthi i-small favor iqala ku-100 ngoba lowo muntu uzama ukukuvezela ukuthi uyakwazi ukudictator ukuthi masevuna usizo kuwena fanele usizo omnika lona liqale kwi-value engakanani. Kodwa mase kuwena obadingayo, hey sithi sisho sesingisi, in adversity our friends know us, but when we are facing tragedy we know our friends. Ngoba abangani bethu mabesenkingeni bayasikhumbula, kodwa masisenkingeni yithi esikhumbula bona. Abakwazi ukubona mesisenkingeni, abakwazi ukubona mesibhekene nezimo izimo, abakwazi ukubona mesibhekene nezinkinga. That is why ngithi kubalekile ukuchoose circle yakho, because your networks defines and determines your net worth. Your attitude defines and determines your altitude. So i-attitude yakho around abantu abakusurroundile iyona ezoveza ukuthi uyaphezulu noma uyaphansi. I-circle yakho, abantu ozwana nabo yibo abazokuvezela i-network yakho. Kunabantu ababroke la empilweni, banayo imali, azathi umuntu mina sicela ngiyasebenza ukuthi imali angiyiboni. You know why? Vele from mhlaka 1 to mhlaka 29 ufuza wedwa. There is nobody in your life. There is nobody who is encouraging you. There is nobody who is there for you. There is nobody who is a friend, who is a good circle. But from mhlaka 30, mhlaka 1, mhlaka 31, they are there. They are calling you. Bakufonela, bafuna imali, babolekisa imali, bafuna usizo lakho, bakubalelisela inkinga. Bayakwazi ukuthi ukind. They know your kindness and they are taking advantage of your kindness. That is why bezoza nama stories adabukisayo. Ngoba bayakwazi ukuthi unenhliziyo enhle uyashesha ukuzwela. Kanti hayi abafuni, abanazi into ezidabukisayo. Bayazi ukuthi fanele basebenzise stories edabukisayo ukuze basize. Be careful of those people who are in your life but for their own benefits. Be careful. Choose your circle wisely, because your networks defines your network. Funa ukuyivala kanjena ke. Bayingozi abantu. Uyazi ukuthi sisurroundwa abantu abazibayo mesahaslisha. They are not there. They are quiet, they are silent when you are struggling. The moment uphumelela bayabuya bazokukhumbuza ukuthi they were there with you when you are suffering. But mawuthi uyahlehla uyabheka, they were there with you when you are suffering, but somehow somewhere they were the cause of your sufferings. Ngiphindele bagade labantu abahlazana uphumelela kade bengekho, ngoba kunabantu abazoza kuwena hayi ngoba bekuthanda ukuthi khona into abayizuzayo kuwena. Mhlazana kwaphela lento abayizuzayo bazofuna abanye abanalento le akade beyizuza kuwena. So bagade abantu abakanjalo, bagade abantu abanjalo empilweni yakho. Don't invest your time, don't invest your energy kubantu abakanjalo, because you'll always regret it. Silinyazwa abantu abanjalo phela, silenyazwa abantu abanjalo, sihlethwa abantu abanjalo, sijekelwa abantu abanjalo. Utshela ukuthi wazana nomuntu umxoxela ama secrets akho, kusasa mase ningasazwani usehamba ema ngawo izwe lonke ama secrets akho. Sizwana nabantu abanjalo. Umuntu ungamthembi, yasho ngeBhayibheli ungamthembi umuntu. Qalekisa uthemba lakhe likubantu, kodwa usithemba lakhe linguJehova, futhi ithemba lakhe likuJehova. Ngizosho lokho namhlanje, ngizosho lokho nje ukuthi bagade abantu, bagade abantu. Ngothemba itshe unokuthemba umuntu, bagade abantu. Omunye uthi wayisicelo njalo wena uhlala uadvise abantu ngabantu ngoba asilinyazwa yilwane. Inja ayisilumi isandla esiphakelayo, umuntu kuphela okwazi ukuluma and bite the same hand. Ngithi mina umuntu uyangihlekisa ngoba umuntu ufana nembazo. Imbazo igawula ihlahla ehlathini, kodwa only to find out ukuthi 90% wayo wakhiwe yizo lezi ihlahla imbazo ezigawulayo. Ungafani nembazo, uyibone ngathi usharp, uyibone ngathi ubukhali, ulimaza abantu abakwenze lento oyiyo. Bagade abantu bayingozi. God bless you.